Oh, nope, they're definitely not gone. I have the hiccups, you guys, and I'm in a store with my best friend. Huh?
I really want boots.
You really want some boots?
Yes, I really want some boots.
Those wedges up there are cute.
Size.
Up there. Oh, cowboy boots, kinda?
Yes.
I like the tan ones. Oh, you guys, check out my new channel. What is it called? Mia's August 3rd. There we go. Chill. I can't help it.
I can't help
it. You trying them on?
Yes, ma'am.
Everything is out. But you know what? I'm gonna show you something.
He's my bestie. He's been here twice now since I came. 3 times.
Oops.
3 times now.
Really?
He's my best friend.
Fit me at all.
Huh?
These don't fit me at all.
They don't? What size are they?
6.
Oh, you might want to try some.
No, they're too loose.
Too loose?
Yeah.
Oh,
It's really weird.
then try a 5.
Y'all finding that thing?
You okay?
What?
You okay?
Yeah.
Shut up.
Ooh, look at those. The black wedges.
Oh yeah.
Those are cute. I like wedges.
So Portland can't come during the summer for your
Thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, I kind of figured.
It's okay. You wanna go to Payless after this?
Pay less. Sure.
Payless.
Pay less. We are in What Seal, right? Yeah, this is What Seal. Not Bobby Central. I always get them confused. Hello. Taking a video of the hiccups.
These are cool too.
Oh yeah,
I
look at
think
that.
some of my clothes.
Are those the ones that I had tried off that one time when we tried on the skirts and everything? Are you sure?
They were taller than this.
I don't think so.
These are only $17.
Do they have a red tag on it?
Oh, definitely.
Do they have a red tag on it? If you find something more for that, those are only $17. Or 1 cent, I mean.
Team.
If you find something like $18 on one of those racks, so you can get those, of course.
Yeah.
1 cent. This is my bestie. Bestie says hi.
Okay. I don't think you can see me.
I know.
These are 7. Do you want to try these on?
Ooh, I do like
They're
7.
19. They have a red tag too. Do you want to like?
Check for something. Okay. So I gotta try on these because they look cute. Bye guys.